What is up, guys? It is your boy Carter. Yeah, that was a really stupid intro. Anyways, we're back with some survival. I'm really sorry for the last video. It was horrible. I think I'm gonna stop with the music. I think it's cool sometimes, but other than that. Anyways, if you haven't seen this video, we did a lot of this. I didn't really talk though, because I couldn't. Mic broke, so that's outside. So we have to mine this way. We're trying to finish off our base. Alright, it's gonna look really ugly, but we don't care. We can fix that later. Yeah, we should have a storm today, maybe. Last time we had a storm, it flew over our house. It was kind of boring, honestly. Wasn't really cool. So somebody wanted me to record a video today, so here's your video. It'll probably be like regular 30 minutes or something like that. Last video was 30 minutes. I didn't mean to make it 30 minutes. I might cut out the music. I might just make it quieter. I think it was loud sometimes. I separated the tracks between the desktop audio and the game audio, so I hope that fixes things. Maybe you guys might not even be able to hear this audio right now. The audio that I'm walking around and stuff like that. That'd be okay though. At least you guys would be able to hear me this time. Because I switched up the tracks. I think I just might have to do a combined track. I think that's what it's gonna probably come down to. Alright, so let's start building this. So this. Okay, cool. Oh man. So I want to do this. I want to do something like that. That way we can see better. Wanna fly away and make a great escape. So maybe I'm worthy, you are mine. Rotation over there already. Wow. That picked up quick. So yeah, at least we'll be able to see now. I want to make some glass. That way we can for sure see. I've made this base before. Well, not this particular base, but I made this lookout before. So yeah, see if we have any sand. Sure we do. Pretty sure I prepared for that. I did not. Okay, let's go get some sand. Maybe. It's got a little while. We ever see any sand around? I have to go all the way over there. If that happens, I want to be on the lookout though. I guess we'll just watch the storm right now. I don't want blocks flying in. I know they can do that, so that's stupid when it does that. But hey, that's how the mod works. I don't know though. Yeah, it's getting closer, so we'll wait. But yeah, I think I found a good setting. You guys haven't really seen very good videos lately. There was one where that thing just glitched all over the place. I just didn't really like it. It took me about 2 hours to figure out the rendering settings and everything like that. But yeah, you can hear maybe you guys can hear the lightning. It's lightning right now though. I hope that episode 4 is going to be completely situated that way for season 2. If we do a season 2, if I get good enough, if I get like 20 views every single video, that'd be nice. I'll do a season 2. If I can get, let's see here, 3 likes on this video, I'll do another episode. Or if my friend at school nags me to do another episode, I guess it's gonna have to. Like, he likes the series, he likes watching the storms, maybe. Or just likes watching me cringe. Sadly, I can't do a far render distance though, so it's gonna sacrifice video quality if I do further distance. Maybe I can figure that out sometime. I'm not sure though. Right now, let's just watch the storm. But yeah, I think I'll add like just casual Minecraft music like I do every single video. I'm not even sure you guys could hear music last video, so... Oh, there's a storm. It's coming. I don't know if I can get sucked out of this. I might be able to, so that's gonna be dangerous. I can. There's the little spout coming down. It's snowing. Imagine that. It snows over here. Wait. No, it's still snowing. Okay. Yeah, look, it's coming down. It's a rope tornado. Imagine this is probably gonna get pretty big. Coming out from the ground. Probably gonna touch down here soon. Maybe? Is that touchdown? Yep, there it is. Touchdown. It's crazy though. Look at that storm. It's cruising. Imagine we get sucked out of it and it's end of the series. But yeah, every single season, if I die from a tornado, has to be deliberately from a tornado, not a water spout or anything like that. But yeah, if it's from a tornado, then we restart the series. And doing a whole new season. Yeah, that's pretty cool. We're inside a tornado right now. I still don't know why it does that red stuff. It's stupid why it does that. I'm not sure. I haven't really looked into it. I mean, this is kind of... I've been really lackluster on my videos. Like, my quality on my videos. I'm really sorry for that. I really just want to play video games right now. I don't really want to upload. I'm not really feeling like playing Minecraft right now. But my friend wanted an episode, so I got him. I'm going to give him one. Yeah, that's pretty cool. There's a storm right there. Let's go to sleep, that way you guys can see it better. Might go get some sand. Now that that's passed. Yeah. I'm not for sure if we go outside right now, we're gonna get sucked up in the tornado. So I'm gonna wait for it to bypass a little bit. I mean, do we have any food? I mean, yeah, we got tons of food. So we'll cook them some food. Bypass some time. It's probably like a 21 minute video. I still try to aim for that. Cause I'm never really spot on with that. That's pretty cool though. Little rope NATO. Do we have any sand nearby? I don't think we do. That's sad. I'm weirded out by how the red stuff didn't transfer over here. It's weird. I don't know. Maybe there's red stuff on top of the house. I'm really not sure why it does that. I might have to uninstall the texture pack. I wonder if that's the reason why it's doing that. I'm not sure though. I think that's far enough for now that I can go get some sand. If not, we die. Well, do we have any shovel? I want a shovel first. Baby, I'm worried. You are my home. Even at the sky. No, that's not right. It's like something. I don't remember what it is. I don't know how I just did that, but oh well. Right, so let's get a little shovel. Ah, it's gonna get annoying real quick. I hope that storm despawned. Yeah, it's still circling over there, but this thing will get this sand over here. There's a strong breeze over that way. Oh, ink sac. Poor squids. It's a really strong breeze over that way. It's blowing the blocks around. Maybe some more grass. There we go. It's a really strong breeze, man. That's cool. That's wild. Should we steal some potatoes? I think we should. I'll replant them though. Some nice. Should probably make a farm soon. More carrots? I'll take carrots. Carrots are really helpful. Just plant some more potatoes. That storm's still not over? I thought the red stuff went away when the storm was over. Unless if it like... Oh, I wonder if it touched the building up there and it just went like that and then it finally came back down. That's interesting. This mod still has flaws. But today at school, it was pretty fun. In PE today I caught 2 balls. Or I didn't catch 2 balls. Oh yeah, I did. Okay, so I caught 1, got us some yards. And then I also got a run in. I caught the ball. We were like I don't remember if it was like the 5 line or whatever. I think it was like 15 though. And then I got it all the way to the 50-yard line. So that's pretty cool. Why am I eating these? I'm supposed to bake them. Get more out of them. That's probably just be the food chest. How much time we got on the episode? 13 minutes. Okay. Well, today, what do we want to do? Maybe we'll make our farm. Put the red source. Okay. Do we have any iron? No. What I might do is I might just spawn in the items for the weather mod because it's not really fun to go mining. So yeah. I might just do that. It's a little stupid of me, but I don't think anybody really enjoys the mining. I want this to be more based on tornado mod and not mining, because everybody knows what mining looks like in Minecraft. If you want me to do a separate video on mining, I will literally do that. I don't have a problem with it. It's really boring, but if you want me to do it, I'll do it. I want to find some iron. Oh. Oh, little rainstorm coming in. That was a short rainstorm, man. Oh, it's getting dark. What? Is it raining over here? No, it's not. Whatever. This mod's weird. Ooh, we might get another tornado since I slept. That might be what this is. This might be the formation of a tornado. There's not really anything I can do right now, other than, yeah, there's a little hole right here. I wonder if that's gonna start a rotation. Interesting if it did. That's weird. The wind was blowing that way and now it's blowing this way. Why did the wind change? What the heck? What weird. This might only be a 15 minutes episode. I don't know though. If we get another tornado, I'll keep it going, but... Or another funnel cloud, I'll keep it going. I think this mod's pretty cool though. I liked it. I wanted to do meteorology as my major, but people were telling me that I don't get much money off of it, so I don't know if I'll do it. Yeah, I gotta make sure that I get money off of it. Not really sure what to do. It's just a really boring episode. I mean, other than the tornado that we had. It's been boring. Might just cut it here. And what time have we got? 17 minutes. I'll go for another 4 minutes. That's fine. Just me walking around. I think I'll make my farm next episode. It's a really boring episode though. I mean, we got a tornado, I guess, but sorry for the boringness. So, an apple. Here. Okay. Not really sure what to do with this room. Maybe we'll make it like a storm shelter. Oh, we wanted to make a farm down there, so we'll do that. Do we have any storms on our up top? No, we do not. Alright, let's go sleep. Still a strong breeze. That way. Wait, hang on. It's going that way now. Am I going crazy? I might be going crazy. The wind keeps switching past, like, what the heck? Make up your mind, wind. Interesting. Let's go mine some wood. This has been pretty boring. Mine's fun, or wood chopping's fun, right? I feel like there's a storm gonna brew up over there and turn into a tornado. I don't know why I have a feeling of that. Oh, more wood over here. Might as well just cut down this tree too. We're gonna collect all this wood and I'll probably head back to my house and then probably call it an episode. Wait, what? Huh? The mod just didn't work? Okay. Whatever, mod. Alright. Let's head back home. Oh, it's slowing down. The wind is slowing down. Go outside real quick. Nope. Nothing. Alrighty guys, well, this was fun. I guess. It was fun for me. I got to hang out, I guess, with you guys. But I'm calling an episode right here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!